Hey guys. Hi, hello, hi, hey. I am Santana and welcome to my world, my channel. So here's the deal. I came up with a little idea, okay? So, really? Yeah. Thank you. So here's the deal. I have two things. I have this and I have this. And those two things have inspired me to try to do something. This is a big bag of clothes that I decided to get rid of. I recently went through my whole entire closet and emptied out a whole dresser and then some. So, a lot of clothes in this bag, a lot of random clothes, but obviously clothes that I don't want and that I don't wear. Now, in here, this is my little arts and crafts bin, if you will. Let's explore some of the contents in here. Just off the top, we got a rubber band, some purple thread, we have some cheetah fabric, some felt stuck on there with some tape. We have some more random stuff. We have some scissors. We have some red thread. We have some sewing needles. So I'm thinking we go through this bag of clothes, we find some stuff, and we attempt to kind of thrift flip it in a way, revamp them, maybe turn it into something that I would actually want to wear. So I don't know how well this is gonna work. I haven't gone through anything in this bag to see if I even have any clothes that have potential for this. So yeah, I guess we'll just go through this bag and try to pick out some stuff and see what we can work with. Okay, I have no idea why I filmed my intro yesterday. I guess I thought I was gonna get a jump start on this, but today's the beginning. So I went through the bag and I found a couple of items that I think we might be able to rework into something a little better. First thing we got is this romper I have. Okay, so she's cute. It's a little black and white floral pattern. It just got like way too small for me. One of the straps is actually broken and being held on by a pin, but you can't tell from far away. The vision I was kind of having with this was cutting off the shorts because there's like this elastic between where the shirt part ends and the short part starts. So I was thinking maybe we could cut off the shorts and just make this into a little top. And there's this like tie here. I don't know. Okay, I have a vision. So we're gonna try to turn this romper into a top. We'll see. The next thing I have is this yellow long sleeve shirt. It's kind of interesting. Off, it looks really weird. But on, as you can see, I don't know if it was supposed to be like off the shoulder. I think it's just really stretched out, but it kind of goes like off the shoulder. It has tight sleeves, and at the bottom, they have like kind of little pattern. So like cute, but as you can see, the length is kind of weird. The like stretchiness is kind of weird. So we're gonna try to do something with this. I was thinking of trying to make it into one of those like tie tops. I don't know, we'll have to look up a tutorial for that one. Now, we got two pairs of pants. First thing is this skirt. It's a little black suede. Is that what this material is called? I think so. Suede skirt, has a zipper in the back and these little ties in the front. And I was thinking for this one, okay, I have no idea if this is gonna look totally crazy or be kind of cute, but I was thinking maybe we can unlace this part and replace it with safety pins, because that's like a trend I've been seeing. I'll put some pictures. I normally see it on like tops, so I don't know if this will look like really weird. I don't even know if it'll work because of the eyelets, but that's what we're gonna try with this one. And lastly, now these actually weren't in the bag of clothes. These are just a pair of jean shorts that I have. but we got a few problems going on with these bad boys. So I really love these shorts. They fit so perfect. They're super comfy. They're Calvin Klein, but the problem is they got a big fat hole in them. And if you look closely, you can see that I tried to stitch up that hole with some purple thread. It just ripped into a new hole. So there's that, and then in the back, this loophole is broken. There's another little hole where that went. So I think maybe we might try to patch these baddies up. I don't know about this back loophole situation, but maybe definitely this front hole. So we're trying to patch those up, and that is the game plan. So let's just hop in. The funniest part about this whole thing is that I came back yesterday and said, why did I film the intro yesterday, as in 2 days ago? And then now I'm back again the next day, filming the rest of this. So yeah, this one has been a process, but I'm here, I'm ready, and we're gonna do this. Ignore my kind of messy room. So I'm thinking that we should start off with this romper, turn it into a little shirt, because that might be the easiest one. All we gotta do is cut these little shorts off at the bottom. So I will now proceed to do that. What is going on? So here's what we have aftermath. These were the shorts. So you don't have the last. Okay. Trash. And now my back hurts because my postures so bad. Now the final reveal of the shirt. I don't think I would ever actually wear this, but it's cute. So I'm thinking, because the little tie at the bottom, maybe we can do little cinch action. Okay, let's try it on. Okay. Well, I just made a discovery. Well, from a distance, it looks kind of cute. Like if it were like me wanting everything to be tiny. Wait! Okay, so the elastic is actually only in the back half, and the front half is the only part with this. I mean, you can kind of cinch it, but not really. It just looks kind of weird because it's just all baggy in the front. You know what would be really cute if I had a sewing machine and was good at this kind of stuff? I would actually cut off like the bottom couple inches and like take off right here and make it like this, so it's like 2 parts, right? Would that be kind of cute, or is that just like in my imagination? I can't tell. I mean, or you can do it yourself and tuck your shirt into your bra. Wait, I kind of did something. Oh my gosh. You know what? I just somehow, I was not expecting this. I somehow just managed to make this pretty cute spring top out of a little romper that I was never, ever gonna wear again. Like, you know, if you just look at it like this, I don't know about in person because I haven't looked in a mirror. I'm just looking at the camera, but okay. You just have to tuck this in also. Does that look cute? I don't know. I can't tell. You see the vision? Like if I actually knew how to make clothes, I would make this super cute. So this was a win in my book. Okay, next project. Okay, next thing's next. This skirt. So what I was thinking was I'm gonna take these strings out of here and replace it with things like these. I honestly, these aren't all the same size. I see some big ones, they all look pretty small, so I don't know if it's gonna work. Okay, but let's try. So it looks like this now. As you can see, there's like this piece of fabric. Okay, let's see if any of these pins will even fit. Let's see what we're working with. Whoa, that is a big one. Looks kind of wonky though. All right. Oh, I just freaking flung those everywhere. Oh my god. Okay, kids, I think we did the thing. This is what it looks like now. I really feel like I didn't do much here. Does it look super cool? compared to how it looked before. Not necessarily. I do like this a little bit better. It's kind of fun. Let's try it on and see how we feel about it. This is what the skirt looks like on. It's actually pretty cute. Like, I never disliked this skirt. I just never really wore it. Does this make me want to wear the skirt anymore? No, not necessarily. Does it make me want to wear it any less? No, not necessarily. Maybe I'll keep this though. It's pretty cute, kind of comfy. Pretty comfy, kind of cute. That's what I actually meant to say. Hi. It's the next day again. Ugh. The funny thing about all of this is I came on here and I was just like,
oh, why did I that's crazy. I filmed the intro and then I tried to film again and I didn't finish.
And now this is the 4th day. Doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. So, last 2 projects. These 2 I'm a little bit more nervous about because I actually want both of them to turn out good, especially these shorts because I really love these shorts. Okay, so this is what I'm thinking. Take a little piece of this fabric. I'm gonna use this leopard print. It's kind of a weird material, like it's kind of like fluffy. This might be weird. This might look, I don't know. Okay, anyway, so I'm thinking of taking it and just patching it right underneath here. But you literally can't even like see it. Before I start doing this, I turn the pants inside out and realize there's a bunch of like fraying and stuff. So maybe if I snip some of this away, the little patchwork could be more noticeable. We'll see. Now with everything cut, now you can see it's more of a defined like hole and not just a thingy. How do you even patch things? Or should I put it on top? No, I feel like that would look, wait. I think that looks stupid because of placement. Ooh, unless I put some on other spots. Wait, that could be kind of cute. Hold on. So I'm thinking, what if we put a patch over this hole and then took another piece? And okay, I feel like one looks weird, but maybe if there was like more than one, you know, like something there, I feel like that could be kind of fun, funky. I guess we're just gonna start sewing them on. I took life skills in 8th grade and I learned how to sew, but that was in 8th grade. So we'll see how my sewing skills hold up. I'm gonna sew this on and then come back and show you how that goes. I don't even know how much longer it is. Probably at least an hour or so. Okay, so here's where we're at with these shorts. This is the front. You can see my stitching. I used the red thread because I thought it'd be kind of fun if the stitching shone through. Like my vision for this was like tacky, like vintage. I don't even want to say that. I don't know. This one, I realized I can't sew it on because it'd be pretty much impossible for me to get in this tiny little pocket with a needle by hand. And then we got some on the back. This is just stitched at the top. You can see my great sewing skills. And then I sewed this one on, but only on the bottom. Pretty much I realized that in certain spots where I put these patches, I wouldn't even be able to sew the whole thing on. So I figured I could sew it partially and then glue the rest of it on. So for that, all the patches, I kind of sewed like one side and then left the rest. So I'm just gonna like super glue the rest of it on. I mean, either way from a distance, like you wouldn't even be able to tell if I sewed it or not, but I feel like close up, the like one side stitching adds a fun little I don't know. Bad news though is I did just try the shorts on. I haven't worn them in a while and I guess they don't fit me anymore. I really love these shorts. They fit so perfect. So not necessarily bad. Well, bad news in the sense that even when these are done, they won't fit me. So I can't wear them anyway. Find some glue this on, and then we can freaking finish our last project. And I couldn't find any glue. So here's the thing, because I won't even be able to wear these shorts, I honestly wouldn't even be able to try them on for you guys and show you what they look like because they're just so small on me. Pin them in place so you get like a visual of what it would have looked like. It would have been a little something like this. Now, I think these would have been cute. I probably would have worn them if they actually fit me, but they don't fit me. I think I'm gonna give these to my friend Jordan, who is a fashion queen. That's not on that. Now, finally, last project. Let's freaking do it. This one's gonna be easy. Let's go. I hated that. Okay, so for the record, this is what it looks like. It's just like super duper long. But I really like the way it goes like this, and I like the length of the sleeve. Okay, first things first, we mark how short we want the shirt to be. So then I guess from there, we just cut straight down the middle. Looks pretty even if you ask me. I'm doing this all based off of a YouTube tutorial I watched. I'll leave the link in the description. So the next step is to cut the sides right here and then cut off this back piece. Yeah, let's do that. This is what we have now. Supposedly a wrap top. Okay, here's the thing. It worked. The concept is there. You know, we did it. But the only thing is, the straps just aren't quite long enough to tie. I guess we'll have to take some of this excess fabric and add on some length. So hold on, I'll be right back. We're done. This took me so long. I finally added the additional length to the ties. I'm actually really proud of myself for doing this. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, so I pretty much just hold them together, sewed my great sewing skills, cut off the excess, and boom, she's professional. Okay, so this is final result of the wrap top. Here's what it looks like in the back. As you can see, this part kind of bothers me, but I feel like you could just tuck it, like you could tuck it under this. I don't know. I feel like the whole thing about this, you just kind of gotta mess with it. Oh my gosh, wait, this is actually so cute. Proud of myself. I did that. All right, so with that being finished, that is the end of this video. This was very different for me. I didn't expect any of these to go as well as it actually did, so I'm happy that I did this. This was definitely a fun, time-consuming activity. If you are bored at home and you have nothing to do, go in your closet and find some old clothes that you don't wear anymore and do something. Cut them up. Sew some patches on them. Who cares? You don't wear them anymore, so it doesn't matter anyway. Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and comment and subscribe and tell your grandma and your grandpa to do the exact same thing. All right, catch you guys on the flip. Achoo! 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 Oh! Achoo! 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 Achoo!